Assalamualaikum. Praying 5 times a day, Salah. It is required for every Muslim to perform 5 obligatory prayers a day. A Muslim turns toward Makkah or Mecca when performing those prayers, facing the first house built for the worship of the one God. This house is called the Kaaba, an empty cube-like structure which is located in what is now Saudi Arabia. It was erected by Abraham salam and his son Ishmael salam for the worship of the and only true God. One must remember that Islam does not have any sacred relics or symbols. We are not worshipping the Kaaba. We simply worship God while facing the Kaaba. Facing the Kaaba unifies the worshippers in their prayer to the one God. Anyone who worships the Kaaba or any other created thing would be considered an idol worshipper. To put it plainly, the building materials that make up this house are no more sacred than any other building materials. Those prayers take place throughout the day and night and are a constant reminder of a person's duty and a surrender to God. The prayers are a direct link between the worshipper and God. It is a chance to turn to God in worship, to give thanks, to ask for forgiveness, and to ask for His guidance and mercy. A Muslim may voluntarily perform prayers more often. Prayers in the general sense of supplication can be offered practically at any time or place